Hey, my name is Rustin with Find Pigtails, and today we are going to do a video on a D-pin and repin of a connector. So what we're going to do here is a D-pin repin demo of a connector part number L42B2. This is a very common connector used on Nissans, Infinitis. You'll see it for fog lamp, low beam. I'm sure if you've worked on those cars, you've seen these a time or two. Again, very common for fog lamp for your Nissans and Infinitis. So what we'll do here first, we've got to remove our front lock to access the pins. These pins are a little bit different than some. They have spring-loaded catches that are built into them, and you just have to get both those depressed in order to remove it. So we're going to show you how to do this here. So I like to remove these front locks all the way, get under that with a screwdriver, just kind of pry it up. There's some little catches here in the black part of the connector, and so we're trying to just pop this cap up over those, and I'll do a side at a time. Now we can access it on the inside here, and you can see the pins, they're really far down in there on this connector. So what we can do, those little catches, I know you can always take a light look down in there, but they're on the left and right side, they're not top and bottom. So what I'll do is kind of just work my screwdriver down in there, get one of those catches released, do the other one. I have to look at it here for just a second, and I can release it. So what I did, I went down in there and I was able to push that release on either side one at a time and then just kind of pry it out. So go right down the side of that pin, push that catch. I'm going to get the other one, work down in there on it, and I might actually have to look at this one here. There we go. And I'm just kind of putting a little pressure, pulling back just a hair while I'm using the screwdriver just to push those catches in. That's been the easiest way I found. You don't want to put too much pressure, because if you put too much pressure, you would actually bend these tabs up. So it's just light pressure backwards and push each one in, and you're able to release it. From there, if you've done the repair job, you've soldered your wires, or you're using the factory wires that are still there, you just needed the connector housing. Take your pins, make sure you have everything oriented correctly, which again, this one, the catches go left to right. So we'll install them. And then we're going to go ahead and see, as it comes up through, you'll hear the click. And once you hear that click, that means they've locked in position. And you can always keep an eye on these catches, make sure that they're sticking out far enough. Like this one, I can kind of pull out just a little bit here, just to make sure. You don't want to go too far, just a little bit. And now both will catch. And there you go. You can hear that. Actually makes a real good click there. Then from there, your front cap. Some of these you can put on wrong. This one will only go on one way. It's got kind of a groove there. And of course that's going to slide in right here where the groove's notched out there. So we'll take it and just push it till it clicks all the way flush. And there you go. You've repinned your connector.